from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mercedes C Class here on a 2007 plate. It's a 57, says 2007, 2008. I'm just doing a service reset on this. I'm going to exactly show you how it's done and the process of it as well. It is very simple procedure on this. If you come forward, come in place. First thing first, what I'll do, I'll switch the ignition on. And then on the inside right there, you could see the service B. In 399 days it was overdue by whatever it is. So what I do then is I press this button, so I get to this strip. Now if this strip is not visible for any reason, say for instance it's here, right, what you got to do, you got to press this button, get it to that position there. I then hold this button, not hold it but move it up, so 1 click, 2 click, get to the service. Once I get to the service, I then hold this button right here for 3 seconds. Say service interval reset. I'm like yes. Hold it for 3 seconds again. You'll hear the beep. That's done. I let go of the button. Now the next service is in 10,000 miles. That's all it was. That's all it is on this particular model. There is a playlist for Mercedes, so if you do want to check it out and you've got a slightly newer Mercedes and you want to reset the pressure warning light, or you've got the same Mercedes, you want to change the headlight basically on it, or the brake light, we've got all that in there as well. And subscribe to our channel as well, that'd be brilliant. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.